baso. Dam, this one for only 76. Ang ganda ng pagka-sleeveless, madam. Medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large for only 76. Mayan, kalapati. Mine kalapati, medium to semi-large, 76 pesos. Mayan kalapati, medium to semi-large, 76. Next, madam.
Mayan,
Kalapati.
Madam, this one, medium.
Birthday and baso.
Madam Kitty Kate, yours to see. Birthday, Madam, please screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Madam V4, yours to see baso, Madam, please screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam.
Next, madam.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for 76 pesos. Mayan, Facebook. Mayan, Facebook, Madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mayan, Facebook, for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan Facebook. Madam Mary Ann Gubalane, yours na si Hangin, madam. Please screenshot, Madam Mary Ann. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam. Daw for only 76. Dam, ang ganda. Extra small to small. Extra small to small, 76. Mine kable. Mine kable, extra small to small. Ito ba?
Press.
Hangin. Madam, tama po ba ang napa-assess, Madam Mary Ann? Mine kable, 76. Kalapati.
Facebook.
Isang Facebook lang ha dyan. Madam Mary Ann Zabala, dam, tama po ba ito, dam? Hindi po ba nagka-exchange si Kalapati and Hangin? Madam Mary Ann Zabala, yours si Kalapati, madam. Please screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam. For only 76. Madam Jella Carla, yours si Kable, Madam Jella. Please screenshot, Madam Jella. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam.
Next, Madam. Madam V4, yours to see. Facebook, Madam, please screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam.
Next, madam.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for 76 pesos. Mayan tape. Mayan tape, Madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mayan tape for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan Tip! Nagka-exchange, no? Madam Mary Ann, nagka-exchange po daw, no? Tama po ba? Mani si dam? Si Hangin? Madam Mary Ann Gubalani? Katong murag black na a silver.
Ano yan?
Exchange. Madam, sorry, madam. Nagka-exchange pala, madam. Kasi nakamayin gani, ani. Madam Mary Ann Gubalane, yours na ni madam. Please screenshot, Madam Mary Ann. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam. Tapos ka, Madam Mary Ann Zabala. Madam, puros pala kayong Mary Ann, madam. Madam Mary Ann Zabala, yours na po ito, dam, si Hangin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam, for only 76. Dam, this one, up to large. Up to large, 76 pesos. Mine ahead. Mine ahead, up to large, for only 76. Mine ahead, up to large, 76 pesos. Madam Joveline, second finder po kayo sa Facebook, madam. First po si Madam V4, madam. Next, madam.
Madam, this one, small. Small, Madam, for 76 pesos. Mayan. Mine black. Mine black, Madam, small for only 76 pesos. Mayan black for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan black. Unsa, Madam Mary Ann? Ito po code nito. DC Kalapati. Sakto. Nani ni Madam Mary Ann Zabala. Madam Mary Ann, okay na, madam? Kato imuha si dam? Si katong silver? Dam, next madam, for only 76. Ay, katong black nga na glitters, madam. Ay, next yung madam. Next madam, for only 76. Wait lang, dam. Dam, this one, for only 76 pesos. Dam, up to medium. Dam, best fit to medium for only 76 pesos. Mayan Happiness. Mine Happiness up to medium for only 76 pesos. Mine Happiness up to medium 76. Mayan Happiness. Madam Mary Ann, pina-assess ko po ulit, Madam. Yung sa inyo is yung colorful. Kang Madam Mary Ann Gubalani is yung pag-glitter, Madam, na black. Adam, next na, Madam. For only 76.
Mine Happiness. Down this one, medium to large. Medium to large for only 76 pesos. Mine Style. Mine Style, Madam. Medium to large for 76 pesos.
po ba yun?
Mine Style for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Actually, si Hamin. Next na, Madam. For only 76.
Colorful.
Madam Mary Ann Zabala, mag-SS po ba kayo, Dam? Ulit, Madam? Yung kay colorful? Kinansel po namin yung maling SS kanina, Dam, ha? Madam Mary Ann Zabala, eto po yung na-mine niyo, Madam. Please ko screenshot, Madam Mary Ann Zabala. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam, for only 76. Dam, eto, Madam, up to semi-large. Up to semi-large, 76 pesos. Mine complicate. Mine complicate, up to semi-large. For only 76. Dam, ikat nyo lang po ito, Madam. Mine complicate, up to semi-large. 76. This is style. Next na, Madam.
Mine
Complicate.
Madam April Likayan, yours na si style, Madam. Please to screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam.
Next na, Dam.
Down this one, medium to large. Medium to large for 76 pesos. Mine green. Mine green, Madam. Medium to large for 76 pesos. Mine green for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan Green. Adam, this one for only 76 pesos. Adam, up to semi-large. Up to semi-large. Mayan Mabuhay. Mine Mabuhay, up to semi-large for only 76 pesos. Mayan Mabuhay, up to semi-large, 76. Mabuhay! Next up, Madam.
Mine Mabuhay. Down this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for only 76 pesos. Mine Violet. Mine Violet, Madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mine Violet for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mine Violet. Adam, next up, Madam, for only 76 pesos. Adam, this one, large to XL. Large to XL for only 76. Mayan Pondo. Mine Pondo, large to XL for only 76 pesos. Mayan Pondo, up to XL for only 76. Next time, Madam. Mayan Pondo.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for 76 pesos. Mayan 10. Mine 10, Madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mayan 10 for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan 10. Adam, this one for only 76. Adam, up to semi-med. Up to semi-med for only 76 pesos. Mayan Punda. Mine Punda, Madam, up to semi-med. Malambot ang tela, Madam, for only 76 pesos. Mine Punda, up to semi-med. Next time, Madam.
Mayan Punda. Madam, this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for 76 pesos. Mayan Pula. Mine Pula, Madam, medium for 76 pesos. Mayan Pula for only 76 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan Pula for only 76. Next time, Madam.
Madam Nasser Milosor, yours na si 10, Madam. Please go screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam.
Next time, Madam. Adam, this one daw. Ang ganda nito daw. Large to XL.